is the Ask Steve Show, and I'm Steve. And today we're going to talk about a lanyard, and specifically a very economical lanyard, the most economical lanyard. And before we get talking about that, that we are going to show you a bad photo ID of the day at the end of this show, so stay tuned for that. This particular product that I have in my hands is our part number is LA-CI-2137-2001. This is the most economical lanyard. If you need a lanyard to attach a credential or a badge and want to save money, or it's for an event and it might be hard to get them back, this would be a very economical way to do that. It's, as you can see, it's a tube, so it doesn't, you can't print on this particular one. It's round, and it's got a secure metal hook on the bottom, and it swivels. So if you're doing events, sometimes people print on both sides because it could flip over. So it's nice sometimes to print some on both sides if you want it always to have the information facing out. And you can hook a badge on this, or a badge holder, or a credential. So very versatile. Has a safety breakaway on it. I have one on my neck right here, so if you pull on it, it snaps apart, and all you have to do is pick it up, snap it back together, and it's good to do. You didn't break it. It's all ready to go. It's just a safety feature. And you can get it in other colors besides black, so give us a call and we can help you with this and help you save money. So as promised, here's our bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that, if you have any questions, go to our Facebook portion of our website and submit them if they're used on the show. We'll send you a nice little gift for participating. Call us at 800-798-3343, or just go to our website, idedge.com.